Otutrea en cure mesothelioma. Malignant mesothelioma it most serious of all asbesto-related disease. Exposure to asbesto it primary cause and risk factor for mesothelioma. Making a correct mesothelioma diagnosis is particularly difficult for doctor because it is often present with symptoms mimiques common allemand. Currently no non-cure for mesothelioma, but treatment such as surgery and chemotherapy can help to improve the typical mesothelioma prognosis and even increase the life expectancy. The cavity within the body encompassing the chest, abdomen, and ear are surrounded by a membrane of cells known as the mesothelium. Mesothelial cell assist in general organ function. The mesothelium is particularly important to organs that are commonly in motion, such as expansion or contraction of the lung, stomach, or ear. Lubrication from the mesothelial cell allows free range of motion within the body. The mesothelium of the chest, abdomen, and cardiac cavity are called the pleura, the peritoneum, and the pericardium, respectively. A of the grouping of mesothelial cells is extremely critical to the function of the body structure which they encompass. Malignancy, cancer tumor, occurring within the mesothelial membrane are known as malignant mesothelioma, or simply mesothelioma. Benign tumor of the mesothelium are known to occur, but are much more rare than malignant mesothelial tumor. Malignant mesothelioma is a disease in which malignant, cancer, cell form in the lining of the chest or abdomen. Being exposed to asbesto can affect the risk of malignant mesothelioma. Signs and symptoms of malignant mesothelioma include shortness of breath and pain under rib cage. Tests that examine inside of the chest and abdomen are used to detect, and diagnose malignant mesothelioma. Certain factors affect prognosis, chance of recovery, and treatment options. Mesothelioma treatment. While no cure currently exist, mesothelioma patient can improve their prognosis through various treatments, including surgery, radiation, chemotherapy, and experimental therapy tested in clinical trial. There are 5 primary types of treatment for mesothelioma. Surgery. Depending on the location and stage of the cancer, and the health of the patient, tumor may be able to be removed through surgery. Surgical options are available for both curative and pain relief purposes for all types of mesothelioma. Recovery from surgery can last several weeks. Radiation. One of the oldest mesothelioma treatment, radiation technique can target ensuring tumor to make the treatment more effective. Radiation therapy can be used before and after surgery to help shrink tumor and kill remaining cancer cells in a specific area of the body. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy is an effective and viable form of treatment viable for patients with all 4 stages of malignant mesothelioma. With chemotherapy, cancer cells are prevented from growing and multiplying throughout the body. Experimental treatment. Clinical trial that test et therapy like immunotherapy and phototherapy can prove effective if the options are exhausted. Clinical trial of patients access to emerging treatment such as immunotherapy treatment, gene therapy and photodynamic therapy. Palliative treatment. Additional techniques and therapy can treat symptoms of mesothelioma to help the patient pain and suffering. Aggressive surgical treatment combined with chemotherapy and radiation have increased the life expectancy of many patients. Conventional treatment for mesothelioma involve surgery, chemotherapy, and radiation therapy. With most solid tumor, doctor turn to surgery, radiation and chemotherapy to manage mesothelioma. When exploring the various treatment options available with your doctor it is important to be informed about the risk and benefit of one before making a final decision. Surgery. Much debate exists as to which surgery is more effective, although studies show that most long-term survivors have undergone some form of surgery. Chemotherapy. Chemotherapy, also known as systemic therapy, use oral or infusion based medication to kill cancer cells through your body. Chemothérapie UZ bot before en afté surgery, avec in people WHO dono dergo surgery. Radiation. Radiation camb en important par of mesothelioma treatum. Te problème itabi cause te cancer inirte iranlang, challenging to provide te kind of dose, intensive thérapie neida touche riinct tumor. Home remedy. Celandine belong to poppy family en cultivated in various regions of Europe en subarctic Asian region. Juice, live en route of type plant are utilisé for medicinal purpose en cambusedat, tincture en podé. Teru of te herb cambe administered orally in the form of thérapodé. Tier ballon with chemotherapy can cure tumor of type inful medical condition, increase immunity level, en lower the toxic effect of chemotherapy in patient. Caclo agréa antioxydant propersita can flush out te toxin en rejuvenate te damage de sel, you can prepare te usine te bark of te caclo.